Florida judge ordering a professional guardian removed for nearly 100 cases after she allegedly issued do not resuscitate orders without the court's permission. I-Team investigator Adam Walser uncovering the Tampa connection to this and how one man's family believes that he would be alive today if not for the guardian's actions.
There's not even words to describe what this does to the family members and friends.
Linda Lanier was power of attorney for Steven Stryker, a Navy veteran and retired EPA executive. Lanier helped Stryker with health care decisions because his daughter lives 1,000 miles away. But when Stryker ended up in the hospital while she was on vacation, professional guardian Rebecca Fearley petitioned the court and was appointed as Stryker's guardian.
I was not able to find out any information about his health or his daughter. Daughter and I were trying with no avail.
Fearley lives in Orlando, but moved Stryker from Cocoa Beach to this ALF in Tampa. Hospital records show Stryker had a chronic health condition causing him difficulty swallowing, which required him to have a temporary feeding tube after he fell and was taken to St. Joseph's Hospital.
Rebecca demanded that the feeding tube be kept.
According to hospital records, Fearley also signed a do not resuscitate order, even after hospital staff warned her of potential consequences.
Knowing that he's going to aspirate because he couldn't take anything by mouth yet, that's pretty much the death sentence.
Stryker's medical note said he has a capacity to make medical decisions, but indicate Fearley preferred quality versus quantity of life.
To see him at the end literally begging for his life, very lucid. He was as lucid, Adam, as I am talking to you now. He knew what Rebecca was doing.
Days later, Stryker choked to death. After complaints from Stryker's daughter, a judge removed Fearley as guardian from 98 Osceola and Orange County cases, saying she signed DNA orders for wards without families' or court's permission. Neither she nor her attorney responded to our request for comment. Fearley was cited twice previously by the Florida Office of Public and Professional Guardians for violating guardianship rules. Osceola and Orange counties aren't the only places where Fearley has wards. Court records show that she has more than a dozen open guardianship cases in Hillsborough, Pinellas, Hernando, and Polk counties. No word yet as to whether what happened in Orange County will affect those. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser, taking action for you.